Tuitiana na ngewa isuni kana Minister wa KISOMO Professor George Magoha niwaikithia AAKENYA kwithiwa na Umilu na YILA IVINDA ya Wosani wa AMANYIWA ala meulika kilasi cha form 1 IVINDA YILA ISESO YIKWAMBIIWASYUMWA ile SYUKITE ISESO NIYIUTUMA AMANYIWA ONTHE ala MANEEKIE MUTIANI wa KCPE mwakani wa 2021 NIMAKWATA MASUKULU ala MAILITE KWIANAN na MAKISI mo Joseph Kidheka nukutuelezea.
Minister Muvyani wa KISOMO va Kenya Professor George Magoha niwaikithisia AMANYIWA ONTHE ala MANEEKIE MUTIANI wa KCPE kana vai AMANYIWA ona umwe utene wa mwanya wa kuiunga na skulu wa sekondari. Magoha ola nene kwa kaunti ya Mombasa ni wawetakana ISESO ya kusakwa AMANYIWA a skulu ni sifu tokanyo yikwa kwa utheu na ugo aiweta vayitha kusakwa valakana kaumite kana ukwati wa musiai.
Every child is safe in Magoha's hands, but Kenya is a rainbow country, and we want to be sure that there's a child from Marsabit at Kenya High School, there's a child from Nyeri in Kenya High School, there's a child from Mombasa here in Kenya High School. That's why they are called national schools. And we do this without apology to anybody, because it is fair and just. Take you to sleep. You know, Mimi, I'm called Magoha, son of Magoha, and I'm only afraid of God. So what I'm going to do, which is fair to all children, first of all, I'll take the map of Kenya and look at it. You know, otherwise you will end up with children from Nairobi only. I will take the map of Kenya and say, I want somebody from Kwale. I want X numbers from Kwale. Do you get the point? So we will get the best from Kwale to go to Alliance. We'll get some of the best from Kwale to go to Kenya. That is the only way I can go to sleep. So you don't think we are going to say, oh, from this to this, you go to this school. No, it's not that way. The national school must be national, which I'll even get from Wajir and Mandera. And then I can tell the President, Your Excellency, we have got a national school which is represented.
I think kana vai AMANYIWA ona umwe kutiwanza ISESO ni mahoni wongela kuwetakana mundu wonthe onakona niwe na ungiwa mutiani usu miona nginya yateona kila mundu ndatuvwa na ituvi yele MWAKANI.
For the ongoing secondary school examinations, which is still going on till Friday, those who have attempted to breach, because my sister there was saying was there leakage. She knows there was no leakage. She just wants me to be annoyed for nothing. There was no leakage. And even for this high school exam, there was no leakage. There is a continuous attempt to breach the integrity of the exam after the exam leaves the container at 6:30. We are catching them, and they shall be subject to very severe penalties. Forget about what the units are saying. That's what they are paid to do. If we find you with a phone after all the noise that we have made inside the classroom, you will have yourself to blame. But I want to assure you of the integrity of the exam, and also ensure that you tell the children to accept wherever they want to go.
Wengine wongela kuwetakana onakwitha ISESO ya mathau skulu ni ambio kuna mungu kumana nekwa ya corona nukwitha ine na Minister Muvyani wa maundu ma uiti va Kenya kulia mathau no masio wenge skulu ni tamu usutu wendete nikenda ciana ciende na kukilia inengo sio. Joseph Kidheka, Viringi wa Mauvo.